big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man. I want to send a shout out to Big Wall Beer. Big up yourself. Don't know out there, guys. Check out Big Wall Gone Fishing with Big Wall Beer channel. Regin same way. Gonna go fishing all the time together. Started his own thing. Same content, fishing content out there. Everybody has a different trade. Everybody has a different skill or a different skill set to the thing. So one teaches one, people. So I've learned a few tricks from him just as well. And big up Frankie, big up on the lures, dropping off the lures leader line. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Got no bait. I was planning on going bait fishing this evening, but that might get detoured because of this little event. So I normally go out twice a day sometimes, guys. Never really plan to do it twice today because after working all day and everything, you get tired, guys. Your body gets burnt out and you get exhausted. And casting the line out after the other, back to back, is not easy either. But that's one of the reasons why I also set up my own gears. I build my own combos for the fact that I like to balance out my combos to how I feel. You know what I mean? So this is what's up, guys. All said and done, guys. We're just doing our thing, getting out here today, try to get some footage and some content for you guys. I'm gonna try a spot down the line to see what I can pick up. So anyways, all said and done, guys, I'm gonna stop down here to this one spot that I always go fishing at. Give it a shot, see what we can pick up. Jamaica shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Bap, bap. I gotta prepare myself to go outside. I'm not even prepared for none of this. So, all said and done, I gotta get my cameras on so I can record some of this stuff from my head strap camera. Let's get this camera set right. Yeah, guys. So, when all said and done, guys, I was never prepared for fishing today. Today was never a fishing day. But being that Chris got me all hyped up and everything about 30-pound tarpons and all of these things, man, I'm like fever. So, Jamaican shore fishing viewers, man, I love you guys. You guys are the best. You guys make this happen. You know what I'm saying? And if it wasn't for you guys joining in on the channel all the time, no, Carl. When I see they look good though. Ooh, fish on. Fish on. Hey. First snook of the year. Right between the pylon, Chris.
Like I said, guys, this was never a planned fishing day. We pushed out, and as you can see, I just hooked up on that snook on one of my Curleytail lures. It that lure specifically has a treble hook and a single hook up top. Yeah, man, exciting lure action, guys, on that little snook. Wasn't a great gigantic one, guys, but trust me, it was a beautiful hookup. Thank you guys for joining us. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Big up yourself, guys. Stay tuned because tomorrow morning we're pushing out.